Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are back at Walgreens. We're both in store and we're both on doing curbside deals, looking at the cheapest paper deals till the 14th, which is Saturday, June the 14th. Let you know, we currently have an offer for 5 free 4x6 prints. So the smaller ones. Order this stuff through the app, 5 prints, put it in your cart, and then type in the code 5 free, exactly as I'm showing there. And then when I went to the store, when I went to pick up my pictures, I punched in my phone number on the keypad, and then this 5 back when you spend 15 magically printed. Hey, it's a free photo order, so roll the dice and try. You may get a booster. And for those of you that might be a bit curious, I actually did stack my paper booster yesterday with this goofy booster to do a component in store and online, spending $30 per, and it worked for me. So when I finally received my $15 back for doing both of those deals below, the digital one and this in-store one, with my paper booster, I got 20 back. So that was pretty magical, and I was really happy with that. So yeah, just a little food for thought. So let's hop right into this, guys. We're going to do the deals in store first. This first one, I know there's a cheaper $7.49 pack. Unfortunately, my store doesn't carry that size. But these packs for $10.99, I mean, I don't even think they're that cheap at Meijer. So with the Scott this week, we have this $1 digital. We only have a $1 digital coupon. If you might have register rewards to throw into this, by all means do that. Maybe if you want to throw in Garnier and Colgate. So 2 of these would be $21.98. Subtracting that $1 digital, you would pay $20.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $17.98 for the 2, which I think is altogether too expensive. So if you might have a booster like spend 15 to earn back 5, that paper booster, or if you have like a spend 20 online and in-store and you want to make this your in-store component, I think that's the only way to really do it because this is a steep price. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to be grabbing a bag of the Scott's paper towel and a Scott toilet paper, so 1 of each. You're going to load your 2 best friends, which is a manufacturer coupon off the paper towel and a manufacturer coupon off the toilet paper. And then we also have this guy, which is $1.25. This is a store coupon, so it'll get added twice. It's per item. So grabbing 1 of each of those Scotts at $5 a pop, that's 10. Subtracting that store coupon, $2.50 is coming off. And then $2 digital manufacturers, another $2 coming off. So you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use $5 of Walgreens cash and just pay 50 cents and call this a super deal. Now, if you like the fancy, this is a fancy deal for you. Grabbing 3 of the Angel Soft toilet papers. They are 2 for $9, $3 register reward when you purchase 3. These are really large rolls as well. So if you're really short on space or, you live in a smaller home, smaller apartment, you can really stack these up and save a lot of room as well. I've done that before. We have $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon, and this is a very good brand of paper, in my humble opinion, too. 3 of these in store is $13.50. Subtracting that magical digital coupon, you'll pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per pack, which is a stock up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, now we're going to be looking at some deals doing them curbside, and curbside means you're putting this order in through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup, and you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. So a lot to jog through there, but for all the new shoppers, that's how it's done. So deal number 4, if you wanted to throw this in with this booster where you're, doing a $30 purchase online to earn back your 15, this would be a very smart basket to do. Alternatively, you can also use Walgreens cash if you're like, hey, I have my $15 of Walgreens cash and I just want to do a deal. This is the one for you. You're going to throw in 5 of each. So 5 paper towels and 5 toilet papers. I recommend very strongly, because this will take up a huge amount of room at the photo counter or wherever they store this stuff. Go and pick up your order right away because it's a huge order, like 10 paper products. It's just gigantic. We're going to load this guy, which is going to do a lot of work because it's going to take $1.25 off of each package, so for all 10, which is like very impressive. And then we have our 2 friends, the $1 off the paper towel, which is a manufacturer, and $1 off the toilet paper, another manufacturer coupon. That's $2 off. So just to show you the chorus line here, $, which are the manufacturers, $12.50 coming off with that Walgreens coupon, and then use the code June20 for $7.10 off. So this is why this deal, you have to do it curbside, because that $7.10, I mean, that is very impressive any way you look at it when a coupon or a coupon code like that works so well. So the total is $50, and we have $19.60 in different codes and IVCs coming off. You're still at that $30 threshold if you wanted to do this as a spend $30 to earn back $15. Free curbside pickup, tax, and $2 manufacturer. So my total before tax is $30.40, but with tax it's $30.22 after the $2 of digital coupons. So if you were going to do this with that weird booster that we showed at the front of the video, obviously you'd have to pay with your debit card. If you're just doing this deal because you want to stock up on paper and it's a smart deal to do, use $20 of Walgreens cash, and you'll have to pay $10, which is still a very good deal. The final deal is the most elite and fancy toilet paper. You're taking yourself on a date with this deal. We're grabbing one of these $5 4-packs of the Cottonelle, and I know a lot of you are brand loyal to Cottonelle. We're going to load the $1 digital for Cottonelle. And here it is. Make sure you have it loaded. And then we're also grabbing a Quilted Northern. This brand also, lots of ladies absolutely swear by it. For $7.49, we also have this $1 digital for the Quilted Northern, which is a Georgia Pacific brand, I believe. So just to show you guys, $1. WAG 10 taking an additional $5 off. So it is so much smarter to do this as a curbside than to do this in store to get that extra $1 of savings. And we're looking all to save a little $1 here and there. $12.49, subtracting $105 for WAG 10, $2 in manufacturers with tax. Use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay 13 cents and call this a very smart deal. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And if in case you missed yesterday's curbside deal, I'll link it right here, the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.